A 100 Hz refresh rate means your Sceptre monitor updates the displayed image 100 times per second, compared to the standard 60 times per second on traditional displays. To achieve 100 Hz on your Sceptre monitor, several hardware requirements must be met. Your graphics card must support both the desired resolution and refresh rate combination. Cable selection is crucial for achieving 100 Hz. DisplayPort 1.2 or higher is recommended, while HDMI requires version 2.0 as the minimum standard for 100 Hz at 1080p resolution. Your system's CPU and GPU must be capable of generating sufficient frame rates to benefit from the higher refresh rate. There's no point in having a 100 Hz monitor if your system can only produce 60 frames per second. Many newer Sceptre monitors also support AMD FreeSync technology, which provides variable refresh rate capabilities for tear-free gaming by synchronizing the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card's frame output. Understanding these requirements ensures you have the proper setup to take full advantage of your Sceptre monitor's 100 Hz capabilities for smoother gaming and improved visual experience. There are three primary methods to configure your Sceptre monitor to run at 100 Hz. Each method provides a different pathway to access the refresh rate settings. Method 1 uses Windows Display Settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Then scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Method 2 uses your Graphics Control Panel. For NVIDIA users, open the NVIDIA Control Panel and navigate to Change Resolution. Select your Sceptre monitor, choose your desired resolution, and set the refresh rate to 100 Hz. For AMD users, open AMD Radeon software and go to Display Settings. If 100 Hz is not listed, select Custom Resolutions to configure your resolution and 100 Hz refresh rate manually. Method 3 uses your monitor's built-in menu system. Access the OSD menu using the physical buttons on your monitor. Navigate to Display or System Settings, look for Refresh Rate or Frequency options, select 100 Hz, and save your settings. These three methods provide reliable ways to enable 100 Hz on your Sceptre monitor. Choose the method that feels most comfortable for your technical experience level.